How to delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. I'll be showing you here on the LinkedIn application, but the process itself is similar on the browser as well. First things first, in order to delete your account, you want to first open up the application and then make sure you're logged into the LinkedIn account that you want to delete. Once you have done so, you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do so, at the very bottom on the left bottom corner, you'll find the settings option. You want to tap on it. Once under settings here, what you want to do is the very first option that you can see is account preferences, right? So you want to tap on account preferences, and under account preferences, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, under account management, you'll find two different options to hibernate account or close account. Now, since you want to delete your account permanently, you want to simply tap on close account, and once you tap on it, just wait until it loads up, and you can see it'll ask you to continue. Tap on continue, enter in your password or the account credential that it'll ask you to confirm your identity, and you are good to go. So this way you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.